These bugs won't leave me alone. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do something on a random. I'm gonna go on this little nature walk. And we'll take a walk and talk.
Now this is where I'm thinking, wait a minute, I need to exercise. I want to get out of this rut. Where do I begin? Right here, down the road. So as you can see, I'm obviously tired, fatigued, lethargic, whatever word you want to use. I must amuse myself. What better way than to take a nice little brisk walk?
It's so peaceful out here though.
Into nature and get your exercise in, right?
So yeah, I'm in a beanie. Oh, here comes somebody walking. Okay, so this particular park trail, I haven't been here for like more than a year, 2 maybe, because I used to live on the side of town, and I don't any longer. Kind of just want to sit right there. Just listen to nature. Anybody coming? Can you imagine how old this tree is?
Now, of course, we're just gonna relax and chill and just, take it all in. I ramble about nonsense.
Yeah, to be quite frank with y'all, I don't know why I'm wearing a beanie. I don't know. It's a comfort thing.
Child. Anyway, so
Last time when I showed you guys where I was in Warren, Ohio. We have squirrels dropping things, y'all. Squirrels are like nibbling at some whatever nuts. But anyways, so as I was saying, I'm like, wait, here in Pennsylvania, there's a place I can enjoy the calmness of nature, the soothing sounds, the euphoria in its entirety in nature. All right, let's go take a further little walk. Outfit of the day. Is that a bat? Oh, it's leaves.
Bruh.
Thank you, God. Thank you, God.
Yes, I want to just take a moment and appreciate what I am experiencing. So as you can see, it does well for the mind, body, and soul.
Normally I wouldn't even have my phone, but I just kind of want to document a little bit. So there's a waterfall. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Okay guys, so I'm actually just setting you guys on this little rock thing. There's a lot of spiders. I wanted to bring you guys along with me here on this little trail. I don't have my selfie stick. I don't have my tripod. It's just me, you, and this beautiful, 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 beautifulness, awesomeness. So, kind of uncomfortable. I probably will go down a little bit further and then turn around. Waterfall is in a different area of the trails, so I probably won't get to that today. And yeah, I'm looking around because like I feel silly using my phone out here, but just wanted to share this experience with y'all. Next time I'll be more prepared, not just this is good for me mentally, you know what I mean? It's good for anybody, actually. Anyone that's been going through things, anybody that is going through stuff, this is the best place to be. I'm amongst God's magnificent art, literally. You're gonna argue that fact with me? So I just wanted to say, if you guys have any trails or park or anything of the sort, don't hesitate. It's not good to stay inside all the time. If you don't have to, venture out.